Next question, 2019 set. It says reaction 3 is in utilization, blah, blah, blah. Explain why NH3 acts as a base in reaction 3, because it accepts a proton. That's why it's a proton. It accepts a proton. It accepts a proton. And literally, you need to be smart about it. You see it right here. It was NH3 and it became ammonium ion, so it literally accepted a proton, right? And even if you were blind and couldn't see this, it's fine. You could have still, why would something act as a base? Yeah, because it accepts a proton. That's it. Yeah. Now, what is meant by the term Bronsted-Lowry acid? Again, acid. It's a proton donor. Proton donor. Next. Identify the reagent behaving as an acid and its conjugate base. So, which particular fella is acting as an acid and which particular fella is its conjugate base? Acid is HCl because see, it donates a proton. Once it donates a proton, this becomes the acid, right? So, this is the conjugate acid and this is then therefore the conjugate base, because now this has the ability to donate a proton. But initially, this donated a proton and H3O plus was formed. So, this is my acid, and what's the base for it? The conjugate base is Cl1 minus. So, acid is HCl and Cl1 minus is the conjugate base. Next, right, CF2 can be made from the reaction with calcium carbonate and with the hydrofluoric acid. Write an equation, include state symbols. We know calcium carbonate is a solid, it doesn't dissolve. HF is hydrofluoric acid, obviously aqueous. What's it going to form? It's going to form calcium fluoride, CaF2, and that's also aqueous. We know that it's soluble, calcium and F. And what else is going to form? It's a metal carbonate, right? So what else is going to form? It's going to form carbon dioxide and it's going to form H2O. And you could also balance this fella right here. How do you balance it? So there are two hydrogens on the right and there's only one on the left. I'm just going to put a 2 here and automatically everything balances out. Or you could have said, hey, 2 F's on the right, only one here, and plus add a 2 and that's it. But also add the state symbol. This is gas and this is liquid. Yeah, easy peasy lemon. That's how easy in 2019 set is over.